a bit of an update on the Mk2. Down at Grattan's here, having a wee look around. The rear quarter is on, thankfully. As always with this flipping car, it turned out to be far worse than I thought. Needed repair panels on the inside as well down there. Thankfully you can buy every panel for her. We haven't fixed the tub yet because it's getting massive tubs. Quarter panel is all plug welded on. We had to take a section of the roof off. Well, Richard had to take a section of the roof off. I had nothing to do with it really. And to fit it in underneath properly, and then we're going to weld it all back on with the gutter trim and stuff back down. We had to fit new pockets on the inside as well. On the Magnum quarters don't come with the pockets, so I had to buy, well, I actually bought Higgins ones in the end, which took a bit of work to make them fit, I believe, but they're on. Not actually sure how much video I've done on this so far, so might as well take you around the rest of the work. The floor pan is in. Front inner tubs, 15-inch boyos, are also in. Outer sills, both sides on. A-posts on. That side was okay. This side has got the tub, as you can see as well, the big tub. It's got the A-panel or A kick panel piece thing, this set in. A-post, sills, and there's the rest of the panel sitting ready to go on her. Rear quarter panel to go on this side as well. You can sort of see why, to be fair, when you look down here, it's really not in great nick. Like, you can see through 90% of the rear quarter. It's time to change them. There is actually, just see it sitting there. There is the pocket. I'll take you in a walk around here actually, because I'm not skinny enough to fit through all that. This goes on somewhere over these vents here. Something, maybe the other way up, I don't know. It's on over those vents anyway. The big tunnels and stuff lying there. I have door skins to go on her, wings. I don't even know where everything is, to be fair. I have everything to go on her. There's my arches. In there, the big white arches. This is what hopefully should look like. This is another one in for a bit of surgery. With tubs, turrets, cage, and the rear firewall and all installed, which mine's getting. A bit more work to do there yet, obviously. Bubble and all's coming back off. Not happy with how I did that. Whenever you go digging as well, you realise that there's about 3 layers here when there shouldn't be. Some absolute Italian has had the drip rails off her at some point and has just, I don't even know how to describe that, aimed at it from 3 feet away with a stick welder. The looks of it, to put that back on. Over here, it's going to need an upper bulkhead panel, I think, as well. I think Magnum are in the middle of bringing those out, so I'm waiting until they're released really. Then I'll get one of them ordered up. I don't think they're horrendous money at this stage. Anything's not horrendous money, but I think it's about 300 quid or something for the whole top panel. And then I might get a carbon bubble as well. Get rid of that heater bubble and just buy a carbon fibre one. Down in there, not too worried about, because as I said, it's being cut out for a big tunnel and stuff, so it'll all be alright. Inner wings are actually fairly sound, so I shall leave them well enough alone if I can. And the front panel was new at some point before I bought the car, so I'm going to get, whenever all the gaps and all's being set up, I'll get Richard to check it for me just to see it's all sitting in the right place where it should be, and then if it needs tweaked, he can tweak it for me. The only real panels in this flipping car that aren't being done are the boot floor, which probably will be getting a carbon protector or something in it. You won't see it anyway. The roof, inner wings, and this rear boot thing here, the partial shelf. Everything else has basically been flipping replaced. The inner pockets and stuff for the spare wheel well have been replaced too on both sides. Well, not this side yet, but on this side. I have a new back panel to go on her as well. because of the damage over here. So it was only 80 quid or something, so while he has it off, might as well put a nice new one on with thick new steel. The car's coming on well. I'm pretty happy with how it's coming on now. It hasn't been much of an update on it because I've been mainly working on the Capri, and trying to get down to do 2 projects is not that handy whenever you have wife and kids and all at home as well, so you have to prioritise, unfortunately. The next stage, I think, is going to be the same on the far side with the quarter panel. Get it all picked off nicely and set the new one on. Then rear panel, and I think then you can tie in. I'm not sure if the sills are on at the back actually. Oh, they are. It's all done nicely. So it's taking shape. It's taking shape. Seems like a shame, but once the floors and all's in and he's all that done, then he has to start cutting into it all again to put the cage in, to put the tunnels in. He's putting an exhaust tunnel in for me, big diff tunnel, big centre tunnel, everything really. Should look something like this. So this is historic spec right enough, but should look something like this anyway whenever it's all done. Still not entirely sure how my lanky legs are going to get in over a cage, but we'll work that one out. Yeah, that'll do me for now. Just a bit of an update. There's a few other bits and pieces of footage you'll see knocking about before or after this. Of a walk around that was down the previous day whenever the quarter panel was going on, I think, from memory. It was a couple of months ago now. So enjoy that, and if you like what you're seeing, hit the share button, subscribe button. The wee links for the social media should be popping up at some stage now, here or somewhere. Have a look at that and pop on over and have a look. I've moved all my Facebook pages now into the one place now at Kris Dupre's Garage. So if you just have a wee search for that, keep updated with everything that's going on in the world of my garage. So yeah, thanks for watching, and till the next one, bye.